Everybody to this video. In this video I will show you how to fix Goose Goose tag sound problem easy and quick. To fix sound problem on your game, open the settings of your phone, click on apps option and search for Goose Goose tag and click. So right now you have to scroll this list down, click storage option, click clear cache, and here right now you should back, click on force stop and click OK. So come to Play Store or App Store and update Goose Goose tag. Restart right now your device and that's it. Don't forget to support us by like and subscribe in this channel and see you next video.